Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, please do welcome back. And thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. I really appreciate. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make bhajia. Okay? So if you're interested to know how to make this nice tasty snack, please just stay tuned till the end. Watch the video till the end so that you can't miss any part of this. Okay, so on your bowl you will mix the vegetables. So for me, I've just used spinach, 1 carrot, 1 onion, ginger and garlic. Okay, yeah, that's all I have used. So if you wanna add your vegetables, you want to add as much as you want. Yeah, no problem with this recipe. So you will mix everything, okay, before seasoning. So you'll mix everything till everything is combined. Okay, now here goes our spices. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon cinnamon and black pepper. Okay, that's what I will use, but you can add your favorite spices there. Also, I will use 2 cubes. Okay, now we will use our dengu flour to make our bhajia. All right, these bhajia are so nice, are so tasty and yummy, guys. So if you use exactly this kind of flour, then you will get the perfect bhajia. Okay, in case you want such you want the flour, yeah, okay, you can reach me on comment section there. I will direct you, or also I can ship for you. It's very nice for making this snack. Okay, so you will mix everything. I have just used 1.5 cups, enough. So you can add more according to the people you want to serve. So you will mix everything, combine everything. Now you will add water little by little to get a very nice paste, or yeah. So you will mix, add water little by little till you get your perfect paste. Okay, so our paste is ready now. You can see, yeah, I got my nice paste. So now we will leave this, or let's cover it. Yeah, you will cover and leave it for about 10 minutes. You come back to cook.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make.
Okay guys, this is our final look at that. They look crunchy, tasty, yummy, yeah. So you can serve this with chili or ketchup, yeah, any of your choice. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If yes, please let me know in comment section. If you find this video interesting, please just leave a comment down below. Thank you guys, see you in my next video.